All right. It's a tight one today. We got a no cool in the attic, and I can't even turn around. But looks like we got airflow. I thought the thermostat had completely shut down. Normal Florida problems. Safety switch trips it off, but like I said, it looks like we got airflow, and we go downstairs and see what's going on. Looks like a 1.5 ton straight cool unit. Look at that, they put the filter dryer up here for me. Nice. That'd be great. Drag the torches up through this attic. All right, see what's going on outside. All right, looks like she's doing the infamous hum. Fan comes on. And the compressor just locked up. All right, we'll check the cap. There it goes. Get a cap, see what she does. All right, I'm gonna keep the amp probe on, see how she kicks over. Man, this disconnect is really, I need to get them a new one. Man, I had it on the wrong thing. Huh? Compressor kicked over. Here we go, 4 amps. Let's see what we got. Yeah, lock rotor seemed about on spot. Run load is 9 amps. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of cool out today. Looking good. I'd show you measure quick, but it's on my phone. I think we'll be able to get them some cooling today. Catch you guys on the next one. But look at that disconnect, man. Woo! All right, let's see. My outdoor ambient sensor. Oh, there we go. Saying we should be at a little higher on the head. Got to get a good connection with these field piece probes. They'll throw you for a loop. All right, it's a TXV. Amperage still looks okay. Getting rid of this thing. Just check the fan motor real quick. 0.6. Okay. Oh, check this out. Got a little fan. Keep you cool. All right, 9-degree subcool. I didn't even wait the 10 minutes, so I think the charge is not compromised. Just a cap. Fan motor is FLA 0.8. Look good there. Not bad for an older unit. All right, I'm gonna let it sit for a good 10-15 minutes. That should call it good. Catch you guys later.